How to use GoodRx Gold membership. First of all, you have to sign up for the Gold membership itself. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice or launch GoodRx mobile application. Now, once you are here within the official website, you simply have to go ahead and access the Gold membership menu. From here, go ahead and tap on this and then look up the Gold tier pricing. Once you select your choice, you simply have to pull up your digital gold card. Once you sign up for the membership, tap on the home tab at the bottom of the GoodRx mobile application, then press the gold card button located on the top right corner of the interface. From there, select for CVS or Kroger pharmacy or simply select for all other pharmacies. Then present the master codes at the drop of counter, and this single card template will now automatically apply premium discounts to any other prescriptions you fill at the pharmacy network moving forward. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.